Do you know how to extract the phone number with the country codes? Or for example, how to extract the numbers with parentheses format? Guys, thank you to REGEXEXTRACT function, we can do just in 1 second. Let's go. For the first example, we write equal REGEXEXTRACT. We select the cell where is our phone number, comma. We add also the function that you will find also in the description below. Press enter, and as you can see, in just 1 second the phone number is extracted. Let's go with the second example. Again, equal REGEXEXTRACT. We select the cell with the phone number that is with the parentheses, comma. We put again the function and press enter. Wow, just in 1 second we got a requested result. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.